What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2002 Acura TL Type S, working progress, as you guys can see. Still a nice car. We got factory converter there. We kept one of the resonators. This one usually comes with two resonators, one there, and usually another one right here. We took that one off and ran him 2 1/4 all the way back. Usually comes with duals out the back on each side, but he wanted a single exit out the passenger side. That's what we did for him. Gave him a little bit of angle on it, as you guys can see right there. Check it out. Really clean, really nice. There's the resonator that was on it, and there's the duals. He cut the mufflers off earlier by himself, so we took the rest of it off. It's all rotted out. And ran a single exit out the back. Acura TL 3.2 liter Type S. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. Nice. Oh yeah, that sounds really nice. There's sound decibels again. 102. I think it's louder than that. Go ahead and back it out. Okay. Whenever you're ready, just bring it in. We're first come, first serve. Yes. Hold on just 1 second. Just 1 second. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Acura TL, straight pipe, single exit on the passenger side. Not bad at all. Beast mode out of an Acura.